Is there a plan to unseat Accompong chief Richard Curry in the next Maroon election? Well, that's the question this evening amidst reports of division in the community. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
Tension is brewing in Accompong St. Elizabeth over aid distribution following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. Over 100 homes have been damaged. After Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness visited the community, building material and other items were accepted, but Accompong Chief Richard Curry rejected the presence of the military. Former Colonel Meredith Rose says he went to Accompong and heard the complaints.
Some people are claiming that with that divide between the government and the present Maroon leadership in Accompong, it will get us nowhere, and some of the things, the benefit, the social stuff that the Maroon people would require, it will be put on hold because they are concerned about the approach taken by the leadership of the Maroons.
And so the rift is deepening ahead of the Maroon election, which is usually held every 5 years. In 2015, retired policeman Ferron Williams was returned as colonel of the Accompong Maroon. He was unseated in 2021 by Richard Curry, who got 681 votes. In that same 2021 election, former Colonel Meredith Rowe got 98 votes. With an election expected by next year, Mr. Rowe says the people want him to take over.
The people are requesting constantly from all the 9 Maroon era that we had polling stations whenever time we have election. They keep calling me, encourage me, because they see the need for proper, good and efficient leadership. I believe that I have an extremely good chance of taking back that top position in the Leeward Shrine Town Maroon's providence.
So you believe that the people are suffering and you want to liberate them right now?
Yes, I want to, because there is no project, none at all, in the community that will move the people, that will get them even economically stable and things like that.
Mr. Rowe adds that he intends to do more to enhance the rich culture outside the annual Maroon Festival. The festival is held on January 6 each year to celebrate the signing of the Maroon Treaty and the birth of their hero Kojo. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.